Hey guys, my name is Imadeo. I made software SmurfWalletOW, and now I will show you how to install it and maybe show a little bit more how the software works and where it stores your credentials and so on. So in the previous video that I made, you can find the link to the installer or in my GitHub repository where all the source code is stored. So you can just click on this link. And since I don't really have distribution license, I just created the software, so it says that there is an unknown publisher, but which is me, and I didn't want to pay money in order to distribute this software. So we press run anyway. We have an installer coming up, and I would recommend to use it only for you, not for everyone, so no one has an access except you to the software. Press next, and then this SmurfWalletOW is installed, and you can start using it. So let's open it. So first thing is that make sure that this Overwatch path is the correct one, because the software will start Overwatch in the background. So you can double click it, and right now I know it's the correct path, but maybe you guys installed it somewhere else. So yeah, let's select the Overwatch again, and loading time, it's how long time it needs to wait till the Overwatch is started, and then it inputs your credentials. So my machine, I think it can handle 4 seconds, so I will switch it right away. Right? And then here we create a new entry. I will create the same account as before. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Set. And now, after when I press play, it will start Overwatch. Wait for 4 seconds and automatically input all the details and set. And then you might think, is it safe to store your passwords on the machine, and where is it storing, and so on? Well, I'm using two-way encryption, and all your passwords are stored in the documents. There is a new folder, SmurfWalletOW, after you install it. And here in the wallet, your password is stored. And if you open it with a notepad, you can see that actually it is encrypted. Yeah? Because actually, for the purpose of this video, I will input my credentials. And so actually my password is this one, right? And it saves it as this one. So in order to encrypt it, I use your CPU ID and use it as an encryption key to translate it. And yeah, but then you might think hey, what if someone hacks my machine and gets this wallet and gets my CPU ID and so on? So if you feel it's not safe enough, you can add another layer of the security. And let's say I create another Berg entry. I input my email here. I input my password here. And then what I do is I create a manual encryption. And then you just need to provide your own key. And let's say my key is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We put this key, boom. We set it, bam, saved. Now it's this account. And if we look into wallet right now, open it with a notepad, we have another entry, and it's the same email. But now you see that it's a completely different password, even though I input the same. But since we have a new encryption key, it's gonna save it differently. And then when you start, then you just have to input your encryption key, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go, and it will take 4 seconds. Bum. And we're logged in, and it's safe and sound. And if you don't want to use it anymore, stuff, you can go in and delete these files. Oh, yeah. And then you can have as many accounts as you want. So I have another account which is Tori _m, and the password for this one is this. Set. Then we can start this one. Okay, good. We're in. Then start another one. And then Tori will get the Berg has logged in. And for those who didn't know, you press Alt Enter and then it goes automatically in the windowed mode and back. Yeah. If you have any more questions or if you have some ideas, just let me know, and all my information is in About tab. So here is my Twitter, Twitch, and the source code for this software. Here you can see how nicely I wrote it. Alright, and thank you guys, and I hope some of you will use it and some of you will find it helpful. Alright.